I get to here. Pauwi ako galing sa trabaho. Dumaan ako Philinvest. Then I saw this. At naalala ko may event si Nakay, RWB, Angie King, Carporn. And I saw it here. Ito yung oras. Pero nakita natin yung chance. Check it out, guys. Hindi ko ma-explain. So, it's just a random shoot. Let's check it out. So, ngayong hapon, kay gabi, walang tao. And you could enjoy all the RWBs ng local sa atin. Wait lang. Patang natin itong helmet para may time tayo ma-enjoy. This one is here, General. Wow, grabe. Yutak, ha? Tangina, diba? Dito lahat. Wala masyadong tao, pare. Parang hack siya, actually. And this one, ang ganda. I'll be honest, hindi ako Porsche. Hindi ako magaling sa Porsche. Pero yun, 911 yun, sigurado. Grabe, ang ganda. Ito, they're all 9s, I forgot. But we'll figure it out. So we go along. This one is a 911. Grabe. Ang cool lang kasi, you all have 100% access. Oh, talaga. So, symbolic. I know this guy. Okay, Eric. Ano ba naman? Grabe, we can enjoy the cars, pare. Unrestricted. Ayanami. Ito kay Kyle or something. And ito kay Angie King. We got free access for all these cars. Wala nang gugulo. Hindi magulo. So, ano siya? Sobrang saya ko lang dahil nagagawa natin ito ngayon. God, grabe itong General. I love this car. Sige. Yun, mukhang Targa ba yun? If I'm not mistaken. Or ewan ko, mamaya na lang. I'll do some voiceovers. But in the meantime, let's just enjoy the RWBs. Smart hack. So many RWBs in one place. So it's a fucking achievement, right? So let's check it out. Meron pa dun sa kabila. Puntahan natin. So nakaikot na ako actually, technically. Pero gusto ko pa ng one more round for good files or future reference. So may ikwento ko, magkasalita lang ako. So let's go. So these are 6 of the RWBs. Ngayong gabi na tsambahan natin. It's actually a working day, weekday, Tuesday, pero check it out, pare. So beautiful. These are 911s. Ito hindi ko talaga maalala ano to. Pero ito 911 to, sigurado yung pwede pala. Alam mo na. Pero ito isa Targa top. beautiful one is a Tarkatap. Grabe. Iba rin pala pag tinignan mo na malapitan. Examining the details. It's so beautiful. At parang ano, no? Kakaiba rin talaga. Parang laging there's something different, something weird sa mix. So I think symbolic and that other 911 looks the same. Parang may iba pa rin. Smell of old metal. Oh my god, this one, the LED is beautiful. Nakakabusit. This is one of the modern Porsches. Actually, if you look at it, iba na yan. 911. Beautiful. This one too. Ito, I love this one. So gorgeous yung pagkayaan. Okay, let's move to the other Porsches. Okay, so technically parang chamba to, no? Para tayong all access tayo. Without the people. Hindi ko lang alam kung pagbibigyan tayo ni Lord sa quality ng video. But damn, we're here. So ito, stock pa. I think naka-air sustom, and then this is due for the build-up. We're going na. Wow. It's very stock. It's beautiful. It's local. Ito, oh man, ang daming Porsche ngayon nasin Apaw. Kaya kung next time babalik kayo dito, you're gonna enjoy it here, man. This one too, si Tobero, ito madalas nakikita to everywhere. Though patay na yung ilaw kanina bukas, came too late. Mas wild ang aero kit na ito. And then this one, first time, wow, so fucking cool. Yeah, I told you, ano lang to, chamba. So let's check it out. Enjoy natin ang meron. Here you can see a beautiful Porsche being started. Well, actually, this one is very different because parang outdoorish type siya. So not bad. It's cool, but hindi ko yata ano here. So we'll walk around here, see, walk on the side, and see this one. Ayun. It's in Carrera Cafe. So inisip ko kung magkakape pa ako or do I walk it off. At trip kasi mag-isa lang ako eh. I didn't bring our kids kasi feeling ko magsasara na eh. So madali ako. Pero people are going here, yeah, maybe they saw it. Opportunity to check out RW is not here, pero it's a good fucking deal kasi hindi mo nakikita masyado nga yung ganito kadami magkakasama na place right now. So let's just do some shoots. I don't usually do this, pero when opportunity offers you a fucking, go for it. So, oh, there's Tubero 2 pala, no? So, kakaroon na yung orange ng kapatid. Wow. And their sticker changed nung rough world, iba na, no? But this one, it's crazy. So, Airsus to. Pero medyo wide siya, no? Na parang medyo outdoor. Weird. Charge kasi ngayon medyo expensive, but not really expensive, yun lang medyo about. So if you're working, hit na lang, don't feel trip kasi hindi ka maka-attend eh. Those are signatures ng mga gumawa, marami na sila. Cool. This one, yeah. Ito kasama ng art. So yun yung mga template na ginagamit. Ito yung upuan ni Nakay. Crazy! Oh, yan. Mag-isa lang tayo, magkape lang tayo, then we'll go home. Since I'm here, let's check it out. Actually, looking at an RWB, it's massive, pero may enjoy mo siya when you look at the details. Yung rivets, yung rims. The rims is fucking beautiful. Classic na modern. Itong idlers, they just sprayed on. Roll cage. On the inside, this is an automatic pala, no? So, a moonroof. Paint is nice, paint is beautiful. Yung cute talaga. Everything is beautiful. The wing, the paint is perfect. I think the paint is really good. Yung body kit is wild talaga. You can't stop admiring it talaga. Pero syempre maraming nabuburat na purists because it's a Porsche, but mabababuin. Pero swabe siya. Ganda talaga. Titigan na lang natin. Buong gabi.